my sweet viewers. Welcome back for another episode of our buttercream frosting making. Today I'll be sharing to you how I make my chocolate buttercream frosting. Just so you guys know, I always get compliment with this chocolate frosting, and especially if you are a chocolate lover, this episode is for you. So better check this out and let's get started. For the ingredients, we have powdered sugar, cocoa powder, we have milk, vanilla extract, and unsalted butter. To get started, we have our softened butter. And using our whisk attachment, we are going to beat this until it's smooth and light in color. After like about 5 minutes, the butter is smooth. Let's add the half portion of the powdered sugar. And the rest of the cocoa powder. Then we can add our vanilla extract and the whole milk. Always turn on your mixer in a low speed for about 30 seconds to avoid making a mess. Then you can turn the speed to medium to high. Always scrape the side of the bowl. Then we can add our remaining powdered sugar. And another tablespoon of milk. Mix it until well combined and smooth. There you go. Here's our chocolate buttercream frosting. for the recipe, I'll be putting it in the description box, and let me know if you guys tried it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.